The DiabeCare Dana Eye insulin pump is a medical device. Therefore, consult with a healthcare professional and follow instructions carefully. Using a coin, open the battery cap by turning 1/8 turn clockwise. Lift cap off. Insert AAA battery with positive terminal at top. Depress the battery cap and turn 1/8 turn anti-clockwise to lock. Check the marking tabs. With battery inserted correctly. When not using a smartphone, these 4 buttons are used to interact and program the pump. The plus and minus buttons increase or decrease values, or toggle between options. The next button moves through menus or to the next item. OK confirms and/or selects options. To start insulin pump delivery, prepare the necessary parts. Wash and dry hands and prepare clean area. Open the reservoir cap by turning 1/8 turn clockwise and lift the cap off. Open a new sterile Dana 3 ml reservoir. Remove the cap at the base of the reservoir and remove the white cap from inside. And the white cap in the syringe should be kept to be used later. Prepare the linking screw by winding the blue base to the end. Holding the reservoir base, connect the linking screw to the reservoir. Prepare the reservoir ready for insulin by moving the plunger up and down once or twice. With a vial of room temperature insulin and load the Dana 3 ml reservoir with the required amount of insulin. Replace the needle protective cap. Holding vertical, twist or rotate the reservoir to move any bubble to the top. Depress plunger to remove any bubbles. Twist the needle off the reservoir and place the white cap on top. Activate the auto setter by depressing the button. Load the prepared reservoir, linking screw down, into the auto setter. With auto setter on level, flat surface, depress the button. The reservoir will wind up. Then wind downwards, counting the insulin volume. The volume of insulin in the reservoir is displayed on the auto setter. The auto setter communicates with the Dana Eye pump. Confirm the refill volume by selecting OK button. Carefully lift the reservoir from the auto setter and insert into the Dana Eye pump. Lock the reservoir securely in place by replacing the reservoir cap and turning 1/8 turn anti-clockwise until secured. Clicked into locked position. Remove the white cap, then connect the infusion set tube by turning the tube anti-clockwise to tighten. Depress OK button. Select OK button to begin priming the infusion set tubing. Keep the pump upright during prime to displace any bubbles. After all air, bubbles are displaced from the tubing, and a few droplets of insulin are seen at the end of the tube. Depress the minus button to pause the prime. Check the tube for bubbles. Confirm no air by depressing the minus button. Depress any button to wake the pump from screensaver. Press OK button to open main menu. Press Next button to scroll through the main menu to the Option tab. Depress OK to select option. Depress OK button to select clock setting from within the Option menu. Time zone can be adjusted using the plus or minus button. Confirm the time zone selected by depressing OK button. Personalize the Dana Eye pump by adjusting user options. User option menu is used to selection options like beep, vibrate, 24 or 12-hour clock, language option, and alarm or alert level for low reservoir level. Various options such as time display setting, button scroll on or off, password setting, etc. can be set and saved. Depress any button to wake the pump from screensaver. Press OK button to open main menu. Press Next button to scroll through the main menu to the Basil tab. Depress OK button to select Basil. Depress OK button to select Edit Basil. Confirm the default profile displayed with OK button. The default Edit Basil menu is now shown. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the beginning time. Depress Next button to move to end time. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the end time. Depress Next button to move to Basil rate, units per hour. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the Basil rate up or down. Confirm the rate by pressing OK button or depress Next button to move to another time period, beginning time. Depress OK button to confirm any or all changes. View Basil can be used to review the programmed Basil rate. TDB equals total daily Basil. This is the programmed Basil delivery expected for 1 day, 24-hour period. Please refer to the IFU and/or healthcare advice for safe and effective insulin pump therapy.